Hi guys, welcome to our online practice of our first announcement. Announcements will always be found, and I will also put the date right here on our bulletin board. So check there daily for announcements of things to do in the mornings before class. And then also check under topics. So I will have assignments as we go. And one of those assignments is going to be to watch a video of the notes that we would normally take in our class period and to do them on your own. So I want you to watch the videos that I'm going to be posting and take your own notes while you're watching, like you would normally do in class. You will be uploading those on Axis as an assignment, and you'll see the due dates for those as we go. So make sure you're taking good notes so you can take pictures of them and post them on Axis for your assignment. Also remember, on here there will be lots of information like PowerPoints and videos, Kahoots, and I will post documents that you will be needing to print from home or to type on from home as we go through our online biology class. Another important function is assignments. This assignment center will show you all due dates for current assignments, notes that you're going to have to be uploading, any little labs that we can still do online. So please check here for due dates regularly. And now be careful when you're on Assignment Center because it's only going to show you active assignments. So if you want to look ahead and see what's due, you look at future or previous to look at something you may have missed the day before. Another really cool tool on Axis that will help you stay organized during this time is the Assignment Center. And the Assignment Center, be sure to click the month function or feature so that way you can look ahead of time. We will be online for about a month, so this will show you all assignments for all of your classes as they appear throughout the month, or you can look a week ahead, whatever you prefer. Again, we will be going more into detail as we start going online, but this is a little practice of what to expect for our announcements.